All right, y'all, just like I promised, right back at you with another video. I'm gonna pull this car out so you guys can see all the way around the car, and I'm gonna also pop the trunk because I didn't pop the trunk earlier. Really ain't much to see in there, but I'll still pop it for you guys. I've been trying to get this car to start up with the automatic start. It ain't been wanting to, so let me see if I can get it to go. Yeah, I'm hitting it twice. I don't know what's wrong. And the car not in park. And this is turning out to be some good footage here. What's the problem? I don't know why it's not starting. Car appears to be in every gear it's supposed to be in. I don't know. Maybe it's because I've started it. I have started the car twice. I don't know. Maybe it won't let me. It's not letting me. So let's get inside and see what's going on. Okay. Yeah, it must be. It must be something about It must be something about, you know, using the automatic start 2 times and not using the car. But yeah, we in this thing right now. As I mentioned earlier, how many miles I had on the car, so there it is, so everybody can see clearly this time. So yeah, let me back this joint out. Now I'm in here kind of tight, as you guys can see over there. So yeah, I'm gonna get back at you guys when I pull the car out. So this is just the inside. I got people hitting me up, sorry about that. You see the Daytona, you know, try to keep this thing clean. The cup holders, they glow, or lights come on. But yeah, I'll let you guys see when I get out the garage. Peace.